Well, this just seems to be the year of new teams popping up or filling in riders, whatever you want to call it. And this time we have the factory Fantic squad, which if you look online kind of is the joke that it's a red Yamaha. But who knows, one way or the other. They have confirmed that Glenn Koldenhoff and Rowan van de Moeschik, and I'm sorry if that's butchered, it probably is, will be racing in the MXG division with David Braceras? Braceras? I don't know. And K. Karas Makers. I'm sorry, these are all butchered. I'm really like, those are some weird last names. Karssemar, Karsmakers? Whatever. We'll be racing in the MX2. So, I mean, this is cool because another quote unquote factory squad, which is kind of funny because if you go to the Fantic Instagram, it's all photos of Yamaha. It's literally just Yamaha, and they're talking about how they won the MX Nations with France, which they're all racing Yamahas. Kind of weird, but I don't know. This is kind of exciting for me. Glenn Koldenhoff is a great name, a big name in the sport, and who knows how well this team does. Maybe they'll come over here to the U.S., which would be kind of cool. But in the comments below, you tell me. You're excited for this? Do you care? Is it good news, bad news, whatever it is? Or just tell me what the weather is or what your favorite food is. I don't care. Comment down below. Let's have a conversation. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.